Look here. Now the further parts of the chapter. Look very carefully. There are two important properties of triangle. First one is angle sum property. Okay. Angle sum property means sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Look here. Now this is a triangle. And here is marked A, B and C. Let us the angles are 1, 2 and 3. We want to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Let you draw a line PQ which is parallel to BC. Draw a line PQ parallel to BC. Are you ready? And mark these angles 4 and 5. Are you ready? Look very carefully here. Now angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is already there linear pairs with that. 4 plus 1 and 5 added to get 180 degree. It forms a line. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Let us see equation number 1. You see that angles, all of them are forms a line. Then that's all. Next you look at here. Now 4 and 2. They are alternate interior angles and you studied they are equal. Similarly here it is 5 and 3. They are also alternate interior angles and they are also equal. So angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. They are alternate interior angles. Put in equation number 2 and 3. It's not compulsory. And after that you look at equation number 1, 2 and 3. You substitute angle 4 equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Is it correct? You look once again here. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So here you put angle 3. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. So from equation number 1, if you substitute angle 4 equal to angle 1 is already here. Angle 4 substitute angle 2 and substitute angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. That's equal to 180 degree. And we want to prove this is equal to 180 degree. Draw a line parallel. Then these two are equal, alternate interior. These two are equal, alternate interior. All of them added to get 180. Automatically this is also added to get 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Another important property is exterior angle of a triangle. Look at here. Exterior angle of a triangle, that is this angle, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Let us, these angles are angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Look very carefully here. Now you studied angle 1 plus, we want to prove angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle, sum of interior opposite. Interior opposite. This angle is equal to sum of this angle. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Now you studied that that's by angle sum property. Is no. Now look here. Now angle 3 plus that angle is angle ACD. That's also 180 because they are linear pair. You see that? From this you get ACD. Angle ACD equal to 180 minus angle 3. Is it correct? Similarly here. Look here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is also 180 minus angle 2. These three added to get 180. These two added to get 180. Automatically angle ACD equal to, look here, angle ACD equal to angle A plus B means 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 ACD. Both of them are 180 minus 3. Is it clear? That is, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, I will give you further problems later on the rest.